Market downturns can be one of the biggest threats to your retirement savings, and if you're nearing or already in retirement, the impact can be even more significant. The last thing you want is to see your hard-earned nest egg take a hit just when you need it most. But here's the good news. There are steps you can take to prepare for a market downturn in retirement. And with a solid plan, you can protect your wealth for the long term. Now, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially over the next couple of weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are already using gold IRAs to safeguard their savings. And in this guide, you'll discover exactly why that strategy is one of the most effective ways to keep your retirement funds safe from market fluctuations. So let's jump in. First, let's talk about why a market downturn can hit retirees harder than anyone else. When you're younger and still working, you have time on your side to recover from losses. But in retirement, you might not have the luxury of waiting years for the market to bounce back. That's why it's crucial to position your portfolio in a way that can handle volatility and still provide steady income. One of the first strategies to consider is diversification. Having a well-balanced portfolio of stocks, bonds, and alternative assets is key. But if you're heavily weighted in equities, you could be exposed to significant risk when the market takes a downturn. Bonds can help cushion the blow, but they come with their own set of challenges, particularly in a rising interest rate environment. That's where a gold IRA comes in. Gold has long been recognized as a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Unlike stocks or bonds, it's not tied to the performance of a company or government. When markets are down, gold tends to rise, or at least hold its value. If you haven't already, I highly recommend looking into gold IRAs as a way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your wealth from market downturns. Next, let's talk about your withdrawal strategy. Many retirees make the mistake of taking large withdrawals from their retirement accounts during a downturn, which can lock in losses and make it harder to recover. Instead, it's wise to have a strategy where you only withdraw a portion of your assets that won't expose you to significant market risk. This could include setting aside a portion of your savings in a gold IRA, as it tends to remain stable or appreciate in value. But what if you don't have enough cash reserves? If you find yourself needing to pull from your retirement accounts during a downturn, consider using a portion of your savings in a gold IRA to bridge the gap. Unlike other investment types, a gold IRA can provide a reliable store of value that won't lose purchasing power during times of inflation or economic stress. Also, don't overlook the power of reducing expenses. If a downturn is on the horizon, it's a good idea to take a hard look at your spending habits and find areas where you can cut back. Living within your means can allow you to ride out economic storms without having to tap into your retirement savings too quickly. For those of you with larger portfolios, such as 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, gold IRAs can be an especially smart move. As you accumulate wealth, the need for a more secure and less volatile investment strategy becomes even more critical. A gold IRA offers a reliable way to protect your wealth from the effects of a market downturn, keeping your retirement savings intact for the long haul. If you want to know exactly how gold IRAs can help protect your wealth and learn more about this strategy, click the link in the description to get your free guide. Whether you're just starting to think about market downturns or already facing one, this free guide will give you the steps you need to safeguard your savings today. To wrap up, preparing for a market downturn in retirement is all about making smart, informed choices. Diversify your portfolio, have a solid withdrawal strategy, and consider the stability that a gold IRA can provide. If you're serious about securing your wealth, especially if you have 100K plus or more in your retirement accounts or upwards of $5 in savings, this strategy is worth considering. Click the link in the description, download your free gold IRA guide, and take action today. Protect your wealth now and ensure that your retirement remains secure no matter what the market does.